Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Samsung Watch Ultra. First, make sure your watch has at least 50% battery life. Next, grab your smartphone and download the Samsung Wearable app from its App Store. This app is essential for managing your watch. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your phone. This allows your phone to find and communicate with your new Samsung Watch Ultra, setting the stage for a smooth connection. Now that your phone is ready, open the Samsung Wearable app and tap on Start New Device. Simultaneously, power on your Samsung Watch Ultra. It will soon display a unique 6-digit pairing code. Look for this same code to appear on your smartphone screen. Once you confirm that both codes match, you're just one step closer to enjoying all the features your new watch has to offer. With the devices paired, you'll be prompted to accept the terms and conditions and grant essential permissions. This ensures your watch can fully integrate with your phone. You then have the option to restore data from a previous backup or set up your watch as a brand new device. Take a moment to personalize your experience by customizing notifications, selecting your favorite watch faces, and arranging your preferred applications. Encountering issues? Don't worry. If pairing doesn't work on the first try, simply restart both your Samsung Watch Ultra and your smartphone, then attempt the process again. Always keep your watch and phone within 1 meter of each other during the initial setup for a stable connection. For the best experience and to access new features, remember to regularly update both the Samsung Wearable app and your watch's software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.